Hey, it's Kate from Pre-Nursing Smarter. Today I thought we could do the respiratory system workbook. You can download this for free in the free preview of Pre-Nursing Smarter. If you want to fill this out yourself, just go ahead and click this download button to download it to your device. You're also welcome to print this out. If you enter in the answers without downloading it first, it might not save. These cover 10 concepts and topics that you are likely to see on the T-Science section. Okay, so let's do these T-Science questions. Question number 1. What is the mechanical process of taking air into the body? This is ventilation. Am I spelling? Ventilation. Ventilation is the mechanical process of taking air into the body. Question 2. Why is surface area so important in the lungs? Increased surface area equals increased diffusion or gas exchange. This would be oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the alveoli are those grape-like sacs in your lungs. They're folded over, they have a ton of surface area, and as you increase that surface area, you're better able to exchange oxygen, which you need to live, and carbon dioxide, which you need to get out of your body to live. So that is diffusion or gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 3. Which structure, when swollen, blocks the flow of air into the trachea? This is the epiglottis. Question number 4. Where is the site of diffusion? I already kind of mentioned that in question 2. The site of diffusion is the alveoli. Alveoli, which are those grape-like sacs that increase surface area in the lungs to increase diffusion or gas exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Question number 5. What structure in the brain controls breathing and what does it monitor? This is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the structure in your brain that helps control breathing, and it monitors carbon dioxide in the blood. Your brain doesn't monitor necessarily your oxygenation levels to tell you when to inhale or what your respiration rate should be. It monitors the level of carbon dioxide or waste in the body. Question number 6. What condition causes mucus in the lungs and salty skin? This is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic condition that affects the lungs, and it can be very complicating to live with and can be fatal. It causes, very simply, mucus in the lungs and salty skin. This is an example of a genetic pathology that is great to know for the T-Science section because you might be asked about it. Question number 7. What condition is marked by ruptured alveoli? This is emphysema. Emphysema is essentially physical damage to the lungs. This can be brought about through smoking, environmental pollution. It's a pathology of the respiratory system that is caused by the environment and environmental damage or pollution. This is another great pathology to know for the T-Science section. Question number 8. What happens to air as it passes from the mouth and into the bronchioles? Air is warmed and moisturized. As air travels from your upper respiratory tract to your lower respiratory tract and into your body, air is warmed up and it's more moisturized. Question number 9. Which 2 groups of muscles are involved in the mechanical act of breathing? We know the mechanical act of breathing is ventilation. 2 muscles involved are the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. These are the muscles that are essentially in your rib cage, in between your ribs. When you take a really deep breath, your diaphragm is below your lungs, kind of the midsection of your torso, and you can feel your diaphragm and your intercostals expand and contract as you breathe. And if you're feeling really nervous about the T-Science test, let's go ahead and exercise those muscles right now with a deep breath. Every time you feel stressed, just work your intercostal muscles and your diaphragm to help relax and feel better and have a nice physiological response to help decrease your sympathetic nervous system and your fight or flight response. Because you can do this. Question 10, what type of pressure causes an inspiration? An inspiration is another name for an inhale. The type of pressure is negative pressure. Negative pressure causes you to inhale. So these are some great study points to know for the T Science section. Again, you can download this workbook for free in my free preview of Pre-Nursing Smarter, and I have workbooks for every body system of the T's. In the free preview, you can also get a quick little science exam and respiratory system review in about 10 minutes. I hope this helps you. Keep up the great work with your T's prep, and I'll catch up with you soon. Take care.